Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I'm trying to execute that particular project, IPL cricket score prediction, and getting that error, no module name, Plyer. So let's open the project folder, and we have to run the main file, main.py. So let's open terminal here, then write python space main.py, then enter. Then it will show module not found error, no module name Plyer. So first you have to check that Python is installed in that system or not. Just click on the Windows key and then write edit the system environment variable. Okay, then click on the environment variable, double click on the path. So see Python 3.8 is already installed in that laptop. So what you have to do just for checkout, just copy that location, Control C, and then cancel and minimize. Then paste the location here and enter. So you can see Python 3.8 is already installed in that laptop and script folder is already added, the location in the environment variable. So we don't worry about the Python. So we just download Plyer library, right? Pip install Plyer, then enter. Okay, now successfully installed 2.1.0. Okay, if you want to check the version, so just write pip show Plyer, then enter. Now the version 2.1.0 is already installed in the system. So let's close that. And this will be the solution of that particular problem. Let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. If you are facing any error in your project, then just let me know in the comment section, or you can contact us on WhatsApp as well. I'll provide the contact link in description. If you are searching projects in machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, then let me know. We are providing projects in multiple domains like Python, Java, Android, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, OpenCV, Django, React.js, and HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, PHP, and many more. And if you want that particular list, then you can text on WhatsApp this number. I will provide that list, and you can just check it out. So in that list, we are providing projects in multiple domain and with different topics. If you click on any of the topic, then it will open the particular blog, informational blog with the YouTube video. And this will be the YouTube video. If you click on the play button, it will play the video. Okay, and it will give the system configuration details. Contact us for more queries and check out later projects. Let's go back. Now, if you select any of the other title, like I'm just selecting that American Sign Language Text Conversion project, then it will give the detail about project. And if you click on the play button, it will play the video. Now you can see the result. The prediction class is C. Okay, programming language, framework and libraries, dataset and methodologies. So if you want that particular list, then just let me know in the comment section, or you can directly contact us on WhatsApp. Okay, let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.